Welcomer to the Uniguru, your trusted immigration partner. Australia's 2025 work visa overhaul is transforming skilled migration like never before, introducing new visa pathways, higher income thresholds, and stricter rules for workers. In this video, we'll break down what these changes mean for migrants, employers, students, and anyone planning to work or settle in Australia. The centerpiece of the reforms is the new Skills in Demand (SID) visa, replacing the Temporary Skill Shortage (TSS) 482 visa, with pathways for high-skill, mid-skill, and lower-wage essential roles. Income thresholds are rising. TSMIT will increase to $76,515 and the Specialist Skills threshold to $141,210, ensuring fair wages and reducing exploitation. Sponsored workers now have 180 days to find a new employer if their sponsorship ends, improving job security and flexibility. State and territory nomination programs are shifting, with some states closing allocations for 2024-25 while Northern Territory opens new applications. The reforms aim to address persistent labor shortages in sectors like healthcare, construction, and hospitality, while making the migration system more transparent. International students transitioning to work visas will be affected, as pathways are restructured to favor high-demand skills and income levels. These changes reflect global trends in skilled migration, aligning Australia's system with stricter UK, Canadian, and New Zealand policies. Australia's 2025 migration reforms mark a major shift, focusing on skills, transparency, and fair wages for workers. While the changes bring opportunities for high-demand occupations, lower-skilled sectors may face new challenges and uncertainties. Stay informed and prepared to navigate the updated work visa landscape, ensuring your path to work and settlement in Australia remains smooth.